Today, I'll show you how to upload a document in Clio Manage. If you're new to Clio or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get those important documents into the system seamlessly. First, make your way over to the Documents section. You can find this by looking at the menu on the left side of your screen. If you're working within a specific matter, you can also find the Documents tab inside that matter. Either way, this is your starting point for managing all your files in Clio Manage. Once you're in the Documents section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll spot a button labeled New. This is the gateway to adding new files to your system. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. From the drop-down, you'll want to select File Upload. This option will allow you to upload documents directly from your computer into Clio Manage. It's a straightforward process, and you have two methods to choose from. You can either drag and drop your files into the upload window, which is perfect for when you have multiple files to add quickly, or you can browse your computer to select the files manually. Simply click Browse and navigate through your folders until you find the documents you need. After selecting your files, the next step is to choose where you want them to go. Clio Manage uses a system of matters and folders to keep everything organized. So, you'll need to decide on the target matter and the specific folder where these documents should reside. This is crucial for maintaining order and ensuring that you can easily find your documents later. Once you've decided on the destinations for your files, look for the Upload button. Clicking this will save your documents in the chosen locations. It's as simple as that. Your files will now be securely stored in Clio Manage, ready for you to access whenever you need them. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to upload documents into Clio Manage. By following these steps, you can ensure that your files are organized and easily accessible, helping you keep your workflow smooth and efficient. If you have any questions or run into issues, Clio's support resources are always available to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Clio Manage.